Hi, I'm going to show you how to create effective slides for your presentation. Let's look at some things you should do in your presentation. You should use a large size clean font. This is in 30-point font, so it's even bigger than 24. This is so your audience can read your text even from the back of the room. Use bullets for important points to help your audience understand your organization. And you should use dark font with a light background or a light font with a dark background to help your audience read the text. You should also use colors that have meaning. If your presentation is about hematology or blood, red is a great choice. For others, red is a little bit strong and distracting. Don't use too many colors, 2 or 3 colors maximum. These are some classic colors that are always good in presentations. That's not very serious. That's hard to read and not serious. That's also not serious. Not serious, hard to read. That's better. That's another better one. And here are some classic color combinations that always work well. This presentation is white with gray. This is a template, but it's not very serious looking, so probably not a good one to choose. That one has a lot of colors and is a little busy looking, also probably not great. And this one is a little bit bright and not very serious looking. So if you're using a template, which I encourage you to do, please use a serious looking one. You should use keywords, not too much text on your screen. You shouldn't just read your slides out loud. You should use images. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Use charts and diagrams to help present your data to your audience. And please use spell check. If you see that little red squiggly line, you need to fix the spelling. Here are some things you should not use. Don't use cute transitions, cute frames and borders and pictures, interesting background images that are not really about your topic, unnecessary images. Everything should be helping you communicate your message. And small or low quality images. Those are not helpful either. Wow, that's quite a slide. Nothing here helps support your message. Please don't use anything like this. Let's do a slide makeover. Here's a slide. I've got some problems here. We've got lots of fonts, not big enough. They're not clear and easy to read from the back of the room. Let's see if we can improve that. Now, I've got a simple looking slide with just a few words of text, and all of it's really clear and easy to read. Much better. Another slide makeover. Here's a table with lots of data in it. It's interesting, but it doesn't communicate my message well. Let's try this instead, a bar chart. Now I've got the same data, but it's much clearer. How about this? Is this chart helpful? I would say no. It's difficult to read for anyone in the audience. It's got too much information. It's very busy. Let's do another slide makeover. Here I've got a plain outline. It's got information, but it's not presented in a way that's helpful to the audience. Let's try like this. That is much clearer. Another slide makeover. This is a really busy, bright background. It will be difficult to see anything on it. Very distracting. This one is a nice, clean background. Lots of white space for your message. Another slide makeover. I can see this image has been stretched to fit the screen. It doesn't look right. That is much better. Another slide makeover. Here I've got a very blurry background image with some text that doesn't have strong contrast. Let's see if we can fix this. That's much better with the image. Always use high quality images. Choose the largest size image you can. To find those high quality images, you can do a Google search and choose images, choose tools, and then choose large sized image. That will get you higher quality images. Now let's work on that text. That's better. I have filled the text box in with some semi-transparent white. And even better, strong white. I can really clearly see my words now. Another slide makeover. Here's another outline. I see lots of text. It's a little too small. How about this? As an infographic, this works much better. Here I've got a few bits of simple words and I can do all the talking to explain my slide. Here's another slide makeover for you. This one has got this bright red that looks distracting. It's got lots of data here and it isn't communicated very clearly. I think the speaker is probably just going to read this slide out loud and hope people understand. Let's make it over. Here I've got a slide that explains the meaning and is simple and clear. Much better. Another slide makeover. This is too much text on the screen, lots of data. I see a lot of information here. Let's see if we can make that clearer. Here we go. A much clearer slide with the same information. Another slide makeover. Here's a lot of text again. Let's see if we can fix that. Here we go. We've got just a simple amount of information on the screen. Another slide makeover. Here's a paragraph that's not very effective. Here we've got some images thrown in and less text. I would say this is a little bit better. Let's see if we can improve it. There we go. That's a simple slide. I can do all the talking to explain, and it attracts my audience's eyes and helps them focus. In summary, you need to keep it clean and simple. Use images, color, text, and fonts to help you communicate your message. That's all you need to have great slides for your presentation. Good luck on making those slides.